record okay. So now it's okay. So 2x cube minus 5x squared minus 23x minus 10. So solve. So given question solve. So how to solve cubic equation? First of all, you idea of the synthetic division. Okay. So two method is there. One is normal method, another one is using the synthetic method. So synthetic division method, you write the coefficient value. Okay, you write the coefficient value. First, write the coefficient of 2x cube coefficient value 2, and the next the coefficient of x squared is minus 5, and the coefficient of x is minus 23, and the constant term is minus 10. This is a very important one. Next, how to find the value of root. It's another thing. Then using here from the left side of the division, so first calculation you want starting from +1, next you want put that -1. Okay, so when you are starting +1 -1 is change means the last term is called a remainder. Last term maybe 0 means you stop the work, that corresponding values is called a root. Otherwise you running the next process, you put that -1. Okay, first I calculate put 1. How to solve this problem? I was starting here 1. Starting values of here is you want to put that 0, then you add these two things, 2 plus 0. Okay, what is that? 2 plus 0 is 2 only. Now this 1 and this 2 you can multiply. 1 into 2 is 2, then you enter here. So that values you want to enter here. Okay, once again you want to add -5 plus 2. -5 plus 2, what is the result? -5 plus 2 is -3. So -3, then once again multiply this 1 and -3, this 1 and -3. Then what is the result here? -3. Then what is the result here? -23 minus 3 is -26. Then also 1 into -26 minus 26 is getting the result -36. Therefore remainder not equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 is not a root. X equal to 1 is not a root. Now we want to consider that -1. Once again write same coefficient term, 2 minus 5 minus 23 minus 10. Then you can write here -1. Same process you want put that here 0. Then 2 plus 0 is 2. Then multiply 2 into -1 is -2. -5 minus 2 is -7. -1 into -7 is +7. I want putting here +7. -23. 7 is 3 as -16. -16 minus means plus. Therefore +16. Then the end of result -10 plus 16 is 6. Therefore remainder term is not equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 comma -1 is not a root. Is not a root. Now what is the process? Next you want to check that next element 2 is check that 2. The remainder is 0 means root, otherwise is not a 2, and also -2. Okay, same process, 1 -1, 2 -2, 3 -3, you're running that process. Okay, I move to the next case. I want put that 2. Same coefficient term, 2 minus 5 minus 23 minus 10. Then was first elements we want to put in here 0. Then 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 into 2 here want to multiply. 2 into 2 is 4. I want put here 4. Therefore -5 plus 4. -5 plus 4 is -1. 2 into -1. 2 into -1. 2 into -1 -2. Therefore -2 means what is end of result? -2 means -25. So -50. Therefore end of result is -60. Therefore x equal to 2 is not a root, and you want to check that last concept, you want to put that -2 also. Then 2 -5 -23 -10. Then easy idea, so I want to put that 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. -2 plus 2 is -4. Then what is the result? -4 -4 -5. Therefore -9. Minus plus 9 into 2 is 18 plus 18. 23 minus 23 plus 18 minus 23 plus 18 means minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 plus 10. Minus minus plus, therefore plus 10. Minus plus 10, 10 is same value, therefore 0. Here, the remainder value is 0 means root x equal to minus 2 is a root. Okay. And here 2 means x equal to 2 is not a root. Is not a root. Therefore, our result x equal to minus 2 is a root. This is one polynomial reduce. Then you can convert to this term in the quadratic form. This term in the quadratic form. So it is a quadratic form. This 2 into you can multiply by k x square minus 9 into k multiply by x k constant term. Okay. Therefore 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 equal to 0. This is a quadratic form. So maybe using already done in the previous class, maybe using this one is a tree diagram or the Patrice idea. Okay. This minus 9 is called a sum of the term and minus 5 is called a product of the term. But the product of term is 2 is there. Therefore 2 multiplied by k. Therefore product of term values is 10. Product of term values is 10. Then sum of term is minus 9. Product of term is using that minus 10. Then what is a possible? Both signs are negative. Both values are negative means one number should be minus, another number should be positive. This is a normal algebraic concept because sum of the value biggest number. We want the biggest number using here and the smallest values we using here. What is a possible? Here 9 here 10. Therefore minus 10 into plus 1. Okay, minus 10 plus 1. What is the result? Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. Minus 10 into 1. Minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. Therefore, the result is minus 10 plus 1 is a format of the tree diagram. But 2 is here. Therefore, you want here simple idea. You want to divide 2x and 2x. Therefore, this 2, this one is cancelled 5. This result can be written as x minus 5, 2x plus 1. Therefore, the entire result change the format, which implies that x minus 5 into 2x plus 1. Okay, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, which implies that x equal to x minus 5 equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 equal to 0, which implies that this term moving to this side, x equal to 5 and here 2x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, what is the end of root? X is minus 2, the first result, and the second result is 5 and the last result is minus 1 by 2. How many root is there? 1, 2, 3 root is there. So what is the power here? What is the power here? X cube. What is the first equation power? So here cubic equation. Okay, here cubic equation. Therefore, by the fundamental theorem of algebra, so exactly maximum root is power, that means 3. Therefore, exactly equal to 3 root is there. Okay, this is a basic idea. Suppose root is not clear in the quadratic form, then using in this step, after that you can write the formula method. Using the formula method means x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, then what is a value, what is a b value, what is a c value? This is called a and minus 9. Minus 9 values is called a b and minus 5 is called a c. Is apply and simplify, maybe is getting the same result using formula method also. So okay, now in the format in the integer modulo concept. So it is here 2x cube minus 5x squared minus 23x, correct? 5x squared minus 23x minus 10. Okay, minus 5x squared minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, in the modulo condition, maybe first I check that this equation in the integer modulo 2. This same equation using that integer modulo 2. Okay. Now cow can replace this polynomial in the integer modulo 2. Cow can replace this integer modulo 2. This is very important. Already know z2 equal to, you can write the format 0, 1. Okay. Therefore, their coefficient only involving the 0, 1. Remaining term is there means you want to convert to 0, 1 format. Okay, 0, 1 format. Then what is the result? So suppose it 0 means you can divide by 2, is remainder is 0. Therefore, eliminating this element. Where is even element, then is cancelled because the corresponding element is 0. So only consider that minus 5x squared minus 23x. Okay, minus 5x squared minus 23x. This is also divide. What is the element is remainder? That's a very important. This is also divide means the remainder is 1. This is also divide means the remainder is 1. Therefore, the result is minus x squared minus x equal to 0, which implies you will taking x is minus sign is common, then plus sign, x squared plus x equal to 0. X squared plus x equal to 0. Now you can apply this two result. First main thing, this is a equation of the given polynomial. Given the result. What is the given the result? 2x cube minus 5x squared minus 23x minus 10. Okay. This is a equation, given the equation. But the converter to this equation is called a modulo 2. Integer modulo 2. Okay. These both are equal in the integer modulo 2. Integer modulo 2. Now you can find the root. Power 2 is there. Check that here power 3. But here power 2 because x cube is 0. Therefore power 2. Then what is the result here? 1, 0 and another root is 1. Now want to put that 0. Power 2 means 0 means 0 squared plus 0 is 0. Okay. Then what is the result? X equal to 0. Then what is the result? 0 squared. This may be using that equation star. Therefore, I using here star equation. 0 squared plus 0. 0 squared is 0 plus 0. Therefore, 0 plus 0 is 0. Therefore, x is 0 is a root. X is 0 is a root. Similarly, we can find the next one. X equal to 1. You want to put that the star equation. Then what is the result? So star equation x equal to 1, then you can star equation means 1 squared plus 1, that is equal to 1 squared value 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, you know, but it's not belongs to integer modulo 2, then divided by 2 means this is called a 0. Therefore, that result equal to 0. This told that x equal to 0, 1 is a root of x squared plus x, and this is a same polynomial. What is a given polynomial? 2x cube minus 5x squared minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, this belongs to integer modulo 2, and this is a approximately equal to this equation. This is the integer modulo 2. அப்போ இன்டிஜர் மாடல் 2க்கு இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது? எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர்ட் பிளஸ் எக்ஸ்னு கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது. சரிங்களா? இப்போ சேம் ஈக்குவேஷன் கவ் டு கன்வெர்ட் டு இன்டு இஜெட் மாடுலோ 3. ஓகே, சேம் ஈக்குவேஷன் கவ் டு கன்வெர்ட் டு இன் மாடுலோ 3. தட்ஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ட். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ட் கொஸ்டின். இன் z3 solve 2x cube minus 5x squared minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. Where? In z3. Then how to solve? Already you know z3 element. z3 integer modulo 3 element is 0 classes, 1 classes and 2 classes. Okay. Then remaining element, this 2 is no problem. This 5 you can eliminate. This 3 minus 23 you can eliminate. This minus 10 you can eliminate. You can eliminate. Therefore, here you want put that 2x cube is there. Minus 5x squared. Minus 5x squared value. Then what is the result? Already you know 5. 5 means 1 times 3. 3. Integer modulo 3 means 1 times 3. Then remainder is 2. Therefore, minus 5 can be written as 2x squared. Okay, 2x squared. Similarly, you can write the 23. 23 how can write? 23 3, 7 times 21. 7 times 21 means you can minus, therefore 2. Therefore, minus 23 can be written as minus 2x, and 10 already you know, 3 times. 10 வந்து 3 times. 3 into 3, 9. Therefore, 9 means remainder 1. Minus 10 can be written as, the remainder value is 1. I want to put here 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, this equation approximately equal to this format. But negative values is also there. Negative value, but in this number is not there. Therefore, this negative values is also changed for in integer modulo 3 format. In integer modulo 3 format. How to change? So already I am explained this minus 2 means minus 2 plus 3. This is also minus 2 plus 3. Here also minus 1, therefore minus 1 plus 3. Then what is the number, end of number? That end of equation is can be written as 2x cube minus 2 plus 3 means plus 1, therefore plus x squared, minus 2 plus 3 means plus x, minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, this is a equation of the given equation approximative form in the EZ3. What is the given equation? 2x cube minus 5x square minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, this both equation are same, but this equation belongs to in Z3. This is a general equation. This general equation you want to convert to this format. Okay, this general equation is convert to Z3 format. Okay, now we want to check the root. You want to check that root. So how to find the root? Already you know, Z3 equal to the set values classes, 0 classes, first classes, second classes. These 3 values you want to put in here, that result may be 0 means is a root, otherwise is not a root. Please check that. So first value, maybe this is double star. Okay, already star means previous integer modulo 2 case. Here I am using that is double star. Therefore, I want to using double star equation x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means you want to put in here 2 into 0 cube. 2 into 0 cube plus 0 squared is there. X squared means 0 squared plus 0 plus 2. Simplify this one. 0 squared, 0 cube, 0 plus 0 plus 2. That is equal to 2. Okay, that is equal to 2. Therefore, 0 is not there. Correct? 0 is not there. Therefore, x equal to 0 is not a root. X equal to 0 is not a root. So next we want to check that x equal to 1. X equal to 1, same equation, 1 cube, 0 cube and 0 squared replaced by 1 cube only. Therefore, 2 into 1 cube plus 1 squared plus 1 plus 2. 2 into 1 squared is 2 only. 1 squared value 1 only. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Same 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is divided by 3. Therefore, the entire result equal to 0. Okay, integer modulo case. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, is a 0. Which implies this told that x equal to 1 is a root. Okay, because 0 is there, the entire result. Therefore, x is a root in the polynomial and also is belongs to Z3. So now we want to check that x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means that 1 cube 2 1 squared is replaced by 2 cube 2 squared. Therefore, this can be written as this replaced by 2 cube and this replaced by 2 squared and this replaced by 2. Then what is the result? 2 into 2 cube. Okay, 2 into 2 cube. What is the main equation? This is the main equation, and its converted equation is this one. 2 into 2 cube, 2 squared plus 2. Okay, entire result is involving 2 only. So plus 2 squared plus 2 plus last result is also 2. Okay, check பண்ணிக்கங்க. What is the result? 2 into 2 cube plus 2 squared, x replaced by 2 and here x replaced by 2 and last result is 2 only, constant term. Therefore, the entire result 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 2 squared is 4. 2 plus 2 is also 4. We want to put that 4. That is equal to 20 plus 4, 24. Okay. Now you can divide by 3. So 24 means is getting the 8 times. Therefore, is divisible. There is no remainder. The remainder value is 0, which implies that the last result x equal to 1, meaning that result is 0. Therefore, x equal to another root. X equal to 2 is another root. How many root is there? X equal to 1 comma 2 is a root. Okay, 1 comma 2 is a root in the polynomial 2x cube plus x squared plus x plus 2 equal to 0. This is the approximative polynomial, same polynomial for 2x cube given the polynomial minus 5x squared minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. Appa 5 application of that fundamental theorem of algebra. What is the power? Power is 3. Power is 3. But how many root is there? How many root is there? X equal to 1, x equal to 2. Therefore, 2 roots. What is the approximate algebra case? Fundamental theorem of algebra. The root should be greater than or equal to 1. Maybe single root இருக்கலாம் or அதோட பாலினாமியல் எவ்வளவோ அவ்வளோதான் இருக்க முடியும். அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன இருக்குது? சிங்கிள் ரூட் இல்லை, நம்மளுக்கு 2 ரூட் கிடைக்குது. பாலினாமியல் மேக்ஸிமம் 3 ரூட்ஸ் வரும். அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்னாச்சு? 3 roots is less than or equal to 2. Therefore, 3 less than is 2. Our fundamental theorem of algebra is satisfied. Okay, our fundamental theorem of algebra is satisfied. Therefore, this is called a satisfied the fundamental theorem. Therefore, x equal to 1 and root 2 is a root in the perfect polynomial is a given. The set is this one. Similar case you can find more. Different case la உங்களுக்கு modular case la உங்களுக்கு polynomial change ஆயிட்டே தான் இருக்கும். Suppose I will last case in the Z4. Z4 க்கு மட்டும் செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதுக்கப்புறம் Q period நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிடலாம். In Z4, the what is a polynomial here? X 2x cube minus 5x squared minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. We want to convert to the polynomial this equation in the Z4 format. In the equation Z4 format. First use Z4 value. Z4 equal to integer modulo 4 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the minimum reduce the value up to 3 only. If the 2 is there, is no problem. Minus 5 is also eliminate. Minus 23 is also eliminate. Minus 10 is also eliminate. How to eliminate using the division concept? First of all, you putting the positive value 5, 4. How many times? 1 times 4. The remainder is 1. Therefore, this result can be written as 1 into x squared. Next, 23. Similarly, we can write here 23. 4. How many times? 6 into 4. 5 into 4. Okay, 5 into 4, 20. The remaining result is 3. Therefore, 23 can be written as 3 only. And 10. 2 times அப்போ remainder 2. 8 னா remainder 2. Therefore 2. அப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி எழுதலாம்? சேம் ஈக்குவேஷன் கேன் பி ரிட்டன் as இந்த இன்டிஜர் மாடுலோ 4 2x squared minus 1 into x 2x cube 1 into x squared minus 23 can be written as 3x minus 10 na remainder 2 equal to 0. So next case என்ன பண்ணணும்? இந்த நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ எலிமினேட் பண்ணணும். இப்போ இங்கே நெகட்டிவ்னா நெகட்டிவ் 1 இருக்குது, இங்கே நெகட்டிவ் 3 இருக்குது, இங்கே நெகட்டிவ் 10 நெகட்டிவ் 2 இருக்குது, இங்கே 2 தான் வரும். ஏன்னா இங்கே வந்து 2 தான் வரும் ரிமைண்டர். அப்போ என்னாச்சு? நம்மளுடைய நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ வாண்ட் டு கன்சிடர் தட் பாசிட்டிவ் கேஸ். எப்படி பாசிட்டிவ் கேஸ் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும்? We add here minus 1 plus 4. Here also minus 3 plus 4. Here minus sign is there, minus 2 plus 4. Then the equation changed easy idea. 2x cube minus 1 plus 4 means plus 3x squared minus 3 plus 4 means 1 into x is x minus 2 plus 4 means plus 2, that is equal to 0. This is a polynomial in integer modulo 4 in the given equation format. Okay, in the equation நம்மளோட given format equation என்ன? Given format equation வச்சுக்கணும். என்ன format? 2x cube plus 3x squared plus x plus 2 equal to 0. This equation can be written as another format 2x cube minus 5x squared minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. This is a given equation. This is a given equation. Okay. Therefore, this given equation is can be written as of the form this idea. Now we want to find the root. Power 3, maybe 3 root is there or not. Please check that. Power 3. அப்போ நம்மளோட Z4 ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? Z4 equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ டைரெக்டாக 0 போட்டால் என்ன ஆகும்? 0 இங்கே அப்ளை பண்ணுறீங்க. 0 அப்ளை பண்ணால் எக்ஸ் இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் 0 ஆயிரும். ரிமைண்டர் என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 2 கிடைக்கும். அப்போ என்னாச்சு? எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 0 இஸ் நாட் ஏ ரூட். எங்கே? இன்டிஜர் மாடலோ போடல. இஸ் நாட் ஏ ரூட். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 1 போடுறீங்க. 1 சப்மிட் பண்ண என்ன ஆகும்? வெரி ஈஸி. 2, 2 + 3 5, 5 + 1, 5 + 1 6, 6 + 2 is 8. 8 4 டிவைட் ஆகும். therefore x equal to 1 is a root. 1 is a root. 0 ஆயிருது. அதனால வந்து is a root. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன? 2 போடுறீங்க. 2 போட்டால் 2 கியூப் 2 கியூப் 8, 8 × 2 வந்து 16 கிடைக்குது. இங்கே 2 ஸ்கொயர் 4, 4 × 3 வந்து 12. இது 16 4 டிவைட் ஆகும். இது 0 ஆயிரும். அதே மாதிரி இங்கே 4 வரும். 4 × 3 வந்து 12, 12 0 ஆயிரும். ப்ளஸ் 2 + 2, 2 + 2 is 4. 4னா நம்மளுக்கு ரிமைண்டர் வந்து 0 தான் கிடைக்கும். அப்போ என்னாச்சு? x equal to 2 இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஏ ரூட். இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஏ ரூட். ஓகே. அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு இது 2 ரூட் தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. இப்போ x equal to 3க்கு செக் பண்ணுறீங்க. 3னா 3 கியூப் 27. 27 × 2, 27 × 2 வந்து 54. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 3 கியூப் 27 தெரியும். அப்போ 27. ஏன்னா 3 ஸ்கொயர் × 3 3 கியூப். நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன? 3 + 2. இங்கே 3, இங்கே 2. 3 + 2 வந்து 5. 5ஓட ரிமைண்டர் வந்து 1. அப்போ நம்ம 1 + 1 என்ட்ரி பண்ணிக்கலாம். +1. இது எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணணுமா? இது எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணி 4 டிவைட் ஆகுதான் செக் பண்ணோம். ரிமைண்டர் 0 வந்தால் ரூட்டு, இல்லை என்ன 0 கிடையாது, ரூட்டு கிடையாது. அப்போ நான் அது 50, 70, 81, 82. 82 is divisible by 4 is possible. So 2 times and this maybe 20.5 is not possible. 20.25 is not possible because the remainder is there. Okay, 20 means 20 × 4 remainder is 2 is there. Therefore x equal to 3 is not a root. X equal to is not a root. That's a very important. Therefore how many root is there? By fundamental theorem of algebra, n equal to 4 value is greater than or equal to how many root? X equal to 1, 2 is a root and x equal to 0, 3 is not a root. Is a root and this value is not a root. Is not a root. Therefore how many root? 2 root. Therefore our fundamental theorem of algebra is satisfied. Only 2 root is there. That root 2 root is 1 and 2. That's all. It's a very very important concept in the modular case cubic equation.